Hi guys! Today we're going to be drawing a Mother's Day heart that says Best Mom with bubble letters. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a pencil because I'm going to be erasing. You can also go ahead and use a pencil, but let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is we're going to draw the heart. So I'm going to place a dot in the center of my paper. And this is going to be the center of the heart. Go ahead and draw a light curve. Now we're going to go down and go from this dot to the bottom and place another dot, and then try to connect your curve to that dot. Now we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing, but we're gonna place another dot on this side. So figure out how wide this is and then go across and place another dot. And we're gonna draw a curve very carefully. And now I'm gonna curve that line and connect to the other side. There's my heart. If it's not perfect, don't worry. You can always erase. I'm going to go in with my eraser and I'm going to erase this line here. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And any other lines I can erase after I Sharpie it. There. Nice heart drawn. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go inside of our heart and do the same thing. This heart should be a little easier because you have a little guideline here. So now let's go ahead and draw the heart on the other side. As you can see, if it's not perfect, I'm just using my pencil to draw some curves, and there we go. I can use my eraser and go in and erase any lines that I don't need or want. There. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw some flowers. I love sunflowers, so let's go ahead and draw a circle followed by another circle. And now we're going to draw, and I'm wanting the flowers to go off the heart. So go ahead and draw a curved line followed by another curved line for the petals. Let's draw one here and here. Let's draw one here. And we're not going to see the rest of the petal because it's going to be behind the heart. I'm just fixing this little curve here. There. Now, if you have room, go in and add some more petals. And now we're going to go in between the petals and draw a couple more. Like that. Okay guys, let's go ahead and draw a leaf right over here. Same concept, use a curved line and another curved line. And I'm going to go in and draw a line here. And let's draw some curved lines for our leaf, for the veins. Now I'm going to add one more petal here, leaf. Draw a curved line and add the veins. There. Go across to the other side, and wherever you want, start by drawing a circle for the center and another circle there. Same thing, I'm going to go in and draw a curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. And one more here. When you're ready, go in between and add another petal. And one more here. There. Now, I am going to draw one leaf coming out right here. Draw a curved line and another curved line. And I'm going to go in and draw my leaves. Let's put one more here. And draw those veins. There. When you're ready, we're going to go in the center and we're going to write Best Mom, but I'm going to draw a little line here very lightly, and so I know where my words are going to go. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to write the letter B, and let's go inside and draw 2 circles. Let's write the letter E. Try to put the letters closer together. So here's my letter E, but I'm going to go around and make these letters bubbly. So you want to make them as round as you can. Now for the letter S, I'm going to write it first very lightly. And again, go around my letters and make them curved and round. Now for the T, I'm going to draw a U shape and followed by the T at the top. And if they touch, that's okay. I'm going to make my S a little curvier. And why not? Let's make them all touch. If you can make your letters touch, that is fine. So you can see the word best is not quite centered, and that's okay. Well, we're going to keep going. So let's write the letter Mom here. And I'm going to go down here and make it more bubbly. Just using a curved line. The O is pretty simple. It's just O. Draw a circle in the middle. And let's repeat the M here. Draw the letter M. And now we're going to make it bubbly using curved lines. Now, because we have this little space here, we can go ahead and maybe draw a leaf. So let's see. I'm actually going to have this petal come in. And maybe same here. Have this one come in. And maybe let's add a leaf coming from right here. This is how we problem solve. If you make a mistake, don't start over. Figure out how you can add something else to make it look even better. So instead of me starting all over again, because I spent time creating this beautiful drawing, I didn't want to start right over again. So you have to figure out a way that you can change things or add things to it. So now I can go ahead with my eraser and I can erase the lines that I no longer need. Let's erase this line. and this line and any other line that you do not want in your drawing. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Okay guys, I will be back with the final colored version. I'm just going to Sharpie my drawing and I will show you guys what that looks like. Okay guys, I went ahead and Sharpied everything and now I'm going to erase all my pencil lines. So let's go ahead and do that. You want to take a nice eraser and just get rid of all those pencil lines underneath. Take your time. Make sure you go over everything. And when you're finished, just get rid of those erasers. Oops, I missed the spot. And the reason we try to draw lightly is so that we can erase easily when we need to. If you had used hard lines, it would have been, your pencil lines would still show through. Okay, let's go ahead and color this and see what it looks like. Okay guys, here's the final colored in version. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you enjoyed following along. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms out there.